Hello students, good morning. I welcome you all for the online classes of your subject mathematics, and the chapter you all know that we are discussing almost it is part 14, a pair of linear equations in two variables. So in the last class we have seen some word problems where we have applied substitution method. I think we have solved three problems. Yes. So even will solve the remaining three now, and the next exercise is all about solving the same word problems using elimination method. So since according to the question we have to solve by substitution method, it may take some time to solve the problems. But in exam, as I said earlier, unless and until they specify substitution method, you can apply elimination method for word problems. Okay, I repeat, for word problems, okay, you can apply elimination method because we all know that it is a most time saving method. So it is understood that unless and until they ask about the substitution method, we can apply elimination method. Okay, so shall we start today? Thank you. So now I hope everyone are ready with your textbooks and rough notebook or practice papers. So the problem number 4 or solution 4, where the question is the taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. Means there is one fixed charge for certain kilometers, and after that whatever extra distance is covered, there an extra charge will be done. For example, think that from our central bus stand to APS school there is a fixed charge, right? Like 20 rupees or whatever. So from central bus stand to APPA public school, the fixed charge is 20 rupees. But from APPA public school, if I want to go to our SB temple, Shanbaseshwar temple, the Almighty, right? There might be some extra charge like 5 rupees extra or 10 rupees extra, right? So whatever extra distance is covered, he is going to charge certain amount. So what are the two parameters here? One is a fixed charge and charge per kilometer, or we can say it as an additional charge per kilometer. For a distance of 10 kilometer, the charge paid is rupees 105, and for the same journey of 15 kilometers, the charge paid is rupees 155. Now there are two conditions. One for 10 kilometers of 105 rupees, and next for 15 kilometers around rupees 155. For these two, okay, we have to find now with the help of these two equations what is the fixed charge as well as additional charge. After that said, how much does a person has to pay for traveling the distance of 25 kilometer? Now first what I have to check, see there is some fixed charge and some distance covered. There is some 10 kilometers covered, 15 kilometers covered. The total cost was something 105 rupees here, and here it is rupees 155. Means I don't know what is the fixed charge and additional charge. So fixed plus additional charge is rupees 105. Okay, for distance covering extra 10 kilometer. Same here, fixed charge plus additional charge was rupees 155. Now after this, the question is what would be for 25 kilometers? This is the question. Okay, very simple problem it is. So let us solve now. So what do I say first? Let rupees X be fixed charge. Okay, let rupees X be fixed charge, rupees Y be charge per kilometer. Rupees Y be extra charge per kilometer. Now what was the condition here? First condition, condition 1, okay, fixed charge, okay, plus what was the extra distance covered? 10 kilometer into charge per kilometer is equal to rupees 105. This is the condition. Now the fixed charge here is X plus 10Y is equal to 105. This would be your equation 1. Coming to condition 2, again same, there is a fixed charge okay, which I take it as x. Same step, fixed charge plus extra kilometer. What was the second condition? It was for 15 kilometers. X plus 15, okay, into y. X plus 15y is equal to 155. Equation 2. If elimination method was there, what would I have done is take these two equations, change the sign, cancel x, get the y value, substitute, and again get the x value. Time saving method. But according to the question, since we have to solve using substitution method, let us see. Now what I will do, is either you change equation 2 or 1. Choice is yours. This is the equation 2. What I will say this one as x equal to 155 minus 15y. This would be my equation 3. Okay. Now put equation 3 in 1. Put equation 3 in 1. Yes, some of you have already framed the equation. Very good, Anjali and Shreya. Now put equation 3 in 1 means in place of x I would be substituting 155 minus 15y. So 155 minus 15y plus 10y is equal to 105. Now what do? The unknown terms I will keep it, the value which I have to find either x or y, always I will keep it on the LHS side. The remaining I will take it to RHS. Now what is minus 15 plus 10? It is minus 5. So I'll write here minus 5y is equal to 105 minus 155. Okay, so this would be now minus 5y equal to, I think, minus 50. Why? Because minus 155 plus 105 would be minus 50. So minus minus cancel. 5 ones are 5, 5 tens are 50. Value of y is 10. Value of y is 10. Then I can substitute here either equation 3 or wherever. Okay, put y in equation 3. Put y in equation 3. X would be equal to 155 minus 15 into 10. So 155 minus 150, which is nothing but 5. X value is 5. That's it. Now what is this x we have taken? Fixed charge. So the fixed charge would be rupees x, and extra charge, whatever distance extra is covered, would be rupees 10 per kilometer. Very good. Everyone have answered. Excellent. Keep it up. It's my humble request. Those who are using some other names, please be with your name and answer. I know you are answering right answer, but I don't know what makes you to get identified by yourself. Okay, keep your name. Whatever, whoever it is. See, we can track that, Mr. Purple Man. Whoever you are mentioning some message, or else I should stop the messages, live chat. Since it should not be like one-way teaching, we are trying in this way. And these kind of people we can track to remember. So don't do all such things in the live chat. When something is done extra, try to understand that. There are some people who are struggling for online class. Sir, after equation 3 in 1, can you explain once more, sir? Yes. So what I have done, equation 3, x value 155 minus 15y, I am substituting equation 1. In place of x, okay, what would be now value? 155 minus 15y. This is what I have written here. 155 minus 15y. Plus 10y will be as usual, 105 will be as usual. Okay. Then, next is, see here, minus 15 plus 10. Subtraction when sign are different, integers concept. When sign are different, I have to subtract. So minus 15y plus 10y is minus 5y. 155 if it goes to the RHS, 105 minus 155, it is minus 50. So minus minus get cancelled. 5 ones are 5, 5 tens are 50, value of y is 10. The same y value I will substitute in equation 3 because I can get directly the x value. 15 tens are 150, 155 minus 150 is 5. Now what would be the conclusion you are going to write? Therefore, conclusion is most important whenever they ask such questions for 3 marks, right? Therefore, fixed charge is rupees 5 and charge per kilometer is rupees 10. Now they asked for 25 kilometers. Total fare is equal to fixed charges x. Then what is the extra distance covered? 25. So that would be 25y. X value is 5 plus 25 into 10. 5 plus 250. Answer is rupees 255. So total fare or total cost for traveling distance for 25 kilometer is rupees 255. Okay, so this is the simple problem. If you would have solved using elimination, no, this problem would have been completed long before. But since substitution, we have to be careful in plus and minus sign. And remember, fare cannot be negative. These questions can be like a case study questions. The first question, everything will be same. The first question, I think total 5 will be there. Case studies. Okay. Out of 5, any 4 you have to write. As per the new scheme of paper last year in 9th also you have written, I guess. So first question would be, then which of the following pair of linear equation holds good? So whatever those two equations are there, you have to take it. Then second point, what is the fixed charge? Means x value. Third, what is the extra charge per kilometer? 3. 25 kilometer, we have done 4 options, 4 questions are covered. Fifth might be, they may ask for 30 kilometers, right? Then is it system consistent, inconsistent? It is a unique solution. It is a unique solution because a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, right? So it is called as a unique solution. So another 5. So case study, this is how they frame one question where from that only we'll get different. Instead of solving like stepwise, right, systematically, you can do it in a rough, get the equations, get the x and y value and check. This is what the case study is all about, right? So this is about problem number 3. Oh, sorry, 4. Now let us go with problem number 5. So coming to problem number 5, my dear students, a fraction becomes 9 by 11. Fraction means how do you represent? How do you represent a fraction? How do you represent a fraction? Anybody? You all know that how to represent x by y, half. Okay, that's an example. But generally, fraction means it is nothing but x by y. This fraction becomes 9 by 11 if you add 2 to numerator and denominator. This is condition 1. Then they say if we add 3 to both numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Find the fraction. Very simple and easy problem to be solved. Okay. So now first I will say, let, coming to solution 5. Solution 5. Okay. Let x by y be the fraction. Okay, let x by y be the fraction. Coming to condition 1, numerator and denominator, when we add how much? 2, it becomes 9 by 11. This is the important condition. If we add both numerator and denominator by 2, then it becomes 9 by 11. So x plus 2 by y plus 2 is equal to 9 by 11. Cross multiply. 11 into x plus 2 is equal to 9 into y plus 2. 11x plus 22. Okay, 11x plus 22 is equal to 9y plus 18. What I will do, since it's a substitution method, 11x is equal to 9y plus 18 minus 22. 11x equal to 9y, 18 minus 22 is minus 4, equation 1. Okay, you can take even 9y to that side. But since it's a substitution, let me check which would be easy for me to substitute. Because if I think first equation is easy, I can take simply x equal to 9y minus 4 by 11. Okay, so for that purpose, I have kept this. Okay, Mr. Purple Man, this is the last warning. This is the last warning. If you want to create such things, don't trigger us in the online session. You can move out. Sir, coordinate geometry, what type of questions can be asked? Is this a way to ask here in the live session? Which chapter we are discussing? This is a problem if we keep the online chat box on. Don't know what questions where to ask. So this is condition 1. Coming to condition 2. Now we are adding numerator and denominator by 3. Numerator plus 3 divided by denominator plus 3. The equation would become 5 by 6. Okay, the equation would become 5 by 6. X plus 3 by y plus 3 equal to 5 by 6. Yes. Now again cross multiply, students. 6 into x plus 3 is equal to 5 into y plus 3. Now multiply the bracket term. 6x plus 18 is equal to 5y plus 15. Again 18 I will take it to the RHS. 6x is equal to 5y plus 15 minus 18. 6x equal to 5y minus 3, equation 2. Whichever equation you want, you can change it. What I will do, this equation I will write x equal to 5y minus 3 by 6, equation number 3. X would be 5y minus 3 by 6. I hope up to this everyone understood. Just check it whether the equations are right or no. Now put equation 3. Now substitute equation 3, okay, in 1. Now when I substitute here, I have to be very careful. Please try to understand, because see here, I cannot cancel this 11 and 6, so I have to multiply the bracket term, cross multiply and all. So we have to be very much careful here when we substitute and get the answer. I hope this part is understood so that I can remove. So what I will do now, I will substitute equation 3 in 1. Okay, put equation 3 in 1. Now 11. What is the x value? 5y minus 3. 5y minus 3 divided by 6. 5y minus 3, okay, divided by 6 is equal to 9y minus 4. First multiply the bracket term. 11 into 5, okay, it is 55y minus 33 divided by 6 equal to 9y minus 4. Now cross multiply the terms. 55y minus 33 is equal to 6 into 9y minus 4. Now 55y minus 33 is equal to 9 6 are how much? 54. 54y minus 6 4s are 24. Take y terms one side, constant terms other side. 55y minus 54y is equal to minus 24 plus 33. So 55 minus 54 y would be y, correct, is equal to minus 24 plus 33. 6 plus 3, 9 I guess. Check whether y value is 9. So this is your y value. Now once I know y value, can I substitute this y in equation 3 now so that I can get x? So what I will say now? Substitute y in equation 3. So x would be equal to now 5 into 9 minus 3 by 6. X equal to 9 5s are 45 minus 3 by 6. So 45 minus 3 is 42 by 6. Now which table? 6 ones are 6. 6 testers are 7s are x equal to 7. Therefore fraction is 7 by 9. Check. Correct? Yes, that's it. So this is the most simple problem. The only thing is, in substitution method, patience is most important, my dear students. Because once if you change plus as minus or minus as plus, the whole procedure goes wrong. and such mistakes whatever you do, such options will be there when you attempt multiple choice questions. So in a hurry, whatever wrong solution you have, you might tick that option. So be very much mindful in plus and minus. Okay, so this is your problem number 5. I hope it is understood. Conclusion: fraction is 7 by 9. The same type of problem we have in next exercise, but their elimination method. Okay, almost one and the same, but the way of framing the conditions is different here. Okay, yes, so let us solve the last problem of this exercise. So the last problem is something related to age. 5 years hence. What do you mean by 5 years hence? Anyone? Can anyone tell me? What do you mean by 5 years hence? Hence andre ಏನು? Is it before or after? After 5 years, exactly, very good. After 5 years means plus 5, before 5 years means minus 5. So keeping that into our consideration, let us solve solution 6. Here the question is 5 years hence the age of Jacob will be 3 times of his son, and 5 years ago means before Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What is the present age? So let me say, let x years be Jacob age, y years be Jacob's son age. Okay, Jacob's son age. Now, condition 1 and 2. In condition 1, what they said? 5 years hence. After 5 years. After 5 years, what would be Jacob age now? X plus 5. And son age? Y plus 5. So I will say here, Jacob age is equal to X plus 5 years. Jacob's son age would be Y plus 5 years. Now come to the condition. Jacob age would be 3 times. Am I right? The age of Jacob will be 3 times of his son. 3 times Jacob's son age. Now Jacob age is X plus 5 is equal to 3 into Y plus 5. Now same as last problem, we'll multiply, we'll keep as usual. X plus 5 is equal to 3y plus 15. X equal to 3y plus 15 minus 5. Okay, plus 15 minus 5. So that would be now x equal to 3y plus 10. Is this equation correct? Check somebody. X is equal to 3y plus 10. Am I right? If yes, I will go for the next procedure. Condition 2. Yes, sir. Okay. Now coming to the second condition. 5 years before, correct? Or 5 years ago? 5 years ago, Jacob age, it would be X minus 5 years. Jacob son age would be Y minus 5 years. Now what he said to his son? He is 7 times as old as his son. 7 times. So Jacob age equal to 7 into Jacob's son age. X minus 5 equal to 7 into Y minus 5. Now the equation would be X minus 5 equal to 7y minus 7 5s are 35. X equal to 7y minus 35 plus 5. So X is equal to 7y minus 30 equation 2. Am I right or wrong? Please check. X equal to 7y minus 30. Yes, some of them are saying the equation. Brusha, Janvi, Anjali, Shivani, Vaishnavi, Nikhil, Kumar, Bharat. Roshni, good. Bhagyashri, Shreya, very good. Now tell me, yes. Now either you substitute equation 1 in 2 or 2 in 1. Choice is yours. Now what I will do? Substitute equation 2 in 1. What I will do? I will substitute now equation 2 value. What is that? X as 7y minus 30 in 1. You can substitute even 1 in 2 also. Choice is yours. But simply I am just taking 2 in 1. I can avoid negative sign here. So now what is this? Equation 2x value 7y minus 30. I will substitute in place of x as 7y minus 30, which is equal to 3y plus 10, which is equal to 3y plus 10. Now take y terms one side, constant term other side. 7y minus 3y equal to 30 plus 10, because minus 30 shift to RHS plus 30, 3y to LHS minus 3y. 4y is equal to 40. 4 ones are 4, 4 tens are 40. Value of y is 10. When I know y value, substitute in equation 2. Substitute y in equation 1. Sorry, 1 or 2. Choice is yours. Now 7 into x is equal to 7 into 10 minus 30. 7 tens are 70. 7 tens are 70 minus 30, which is nothing but 40. X is how much? 40. So who is x here? Jacob. Right? Don't say 40x. X equal to 40. Smriti. Okay, x equal to 40. Therefore, what I can say, Jacob age is 40 years. Okay, and Jacob's son age is 10 years. That's it. So this is how we apply substitution method. So substitution method, what I can conclude from these word problems is, no doubt we will get the solution, but it is time consuming. It takes some time compared to elimination method. Okay, I hope you have understood this. So now whatever next problems we are going to solve, it won't take much time as substitution method, because we are going to apply elimination method. So we will see you after the English class, so that we'll try our level best to complete 3.4 exercise, all the 5 word problems. Why I said we can complete? Because elimination method. Let me see whether within 30 minutes can I solve 45 and 35, 15 and 5. No, Vrishabh, what is that 45 and 35, 15 and 5? No, somewhere you have gone wrong. Vrishabh, check it, or else you can send me that in WhatsApp, whatever doubt you have. Okay, Vrishabh? So I hope, my dear students, you have understood about the substitution method. So remaining problems, we'll see you in the next class. See you all. Thank you.